Hey, and welcome to my videos on Bootstrap 5. And in this video, we're going to show the two different ways you can install Bootstrap in an Angular application. So the first way we're going to do is a CDN, or a content delivery network. And the benefits to a CDN are that we separate the Bootstrap files from our main code. And this can speed up loading of your project, especially if somebody has already used these CSS and JS files that Bootstrap needs, and they're already cached on their browser. So let's see how to use these real quick, but before we do that, let's get a quick look at our site and how it looks with basically no styles. And then we're going to go here. We already have the link for the CSS file and the script for the JSS file, the bundles file, installed, and we're just going to save this real quick. And then we'll run. We'll see we got a little bit bigger button. The text is a little bigger, and everything kind of got pushed to the side. So we got a little bit of styling out of the box just from installing this. So in this video, we're going to install Bootstrap 5 using NPM. And the reason you'd want to use NPM, or Node Package Manager, is if you wanted offline access. It doesn't need access to a browser in order to download the files it needs. They're delivered with the project itself. So if they have access to those files, to your project, then they have access to those files. So let's show you how to do this real quick. We're going to type npm I for install -s for save, and then bootstrap @next. And this is going to install Bootstrap, and it's going to install it in Node modules. And we're going to have a Bootstrap folder created over here in a second. All right, that took a second. So all the files that we need are installed under Node, Bootstrap, and then the same distribute CSS file structure we have here. This is going to be the path to the files that you need. So we see the Bootstrap CSS min, and then we have our JS bundle. So same deal. So in order to get these working in the Angular files, let's go ahead and copy this real quick. We're going to have to add this into our Angular JSON file. So let's show you how to do that. Angular.json. We have our styles right here. We're going to do comma, node modules, bootstrap. And then we're going to copy that CSS. And we also need it to do the same thing in scripts. So let's go ahead and add the node modules bootstrap here. And then we're going to go back to index and copy paste. And we'll get everything correct. So we have that in the script, and we're going to do one more thing. Let's go ahead and add a src assets types typing .ds.d.ts. So we're going to add this TypeScript file under assets, folder, types, and we're going to add a new file, typings.d.ts. And in here, we're going to declare a variable bootstrap of any. And we're going to need this later on. We'll show you where this is used, but we need to have this in order to get everything to work. So we have all of these files ready to go. Everything's linked together. Now we're going to serve this page here. So there we go. We got our styles back using NPM. So just to recap, we have two different ways that we can install this using a package manager or a CDN. Content delivery network is for online access, separating the files, delivering them a little quicker, having your bundles be a little smaller. And NPM is for offline access. I also wanted to mention that this typings folder, even if you're using the CDN version, go ahead and add this. We'll need this later on in some of the later courses in order to access things on our TypeScript files, and we'll talk about that later. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe below. And if you want to discuss any consulting services, look for my email in the description. Thanks.